Hello everyone, this is Parveen Shandhu, Assistant Professor at RPIIT College, Bastada, Karnal. Today I am here to discuss a topic with you called emulsion. Firstly, we discuss introduction of emulsion. What is emulsion? Introduction. An emulsion may be defined as a biphasic system consisting of two immiscible liquids, one of which, the dispersed phase, is finally and uniformly dispersed at globules throughout the second phase, that is continuous phase. Since emulsions are thermodynamically unstable system, a third agent, the emulsifier, is added to stabilize the system, or called as emulsifying agent. Now let's discuss advantages of emulsions. What are the advantages of emulsions? Emulsion. Pharmaceutical emulsion may be used to deliver drugs that are poorly soluble in water but readily soluble in oils. Second one is pharmaceutical emulsions may be used to make the bitter taste and odor of drug in which the drug is dissolved in an internal phase of an oil and water emulsion. Next one is drug that are more stable in an oil phase compared to an aqueous medium can slow improved stability is an emulsion dosage form. Next one is emulsion provide protection against drug which are prone to oxidation and hydrolysis. Next one, emulsion are used widely to formulate externally used product like lotion, creams, linchets, etc. In next one, disadvantages of emulsion. The disadvantages of emulsions are pharmaceutical emulsions may be difficult to manufacture. Storage condition may affect stability of emulsions. Bulky, difficult to transport and prone to container breakage. Liable to microbial contamination which can lead to cracking. Uniform and accurate dose may not be achieved. Type of emulsions. The emulsions are of two types: oil in water type, water in oil type. First one, oil in water type. In oil in water type emulsion, the oil is an dispersed phase, whereas water is the continuous phase. The oil in water type emulsions are preferred for the internal use. Example, milk. Now, water in oil type. In water in oil type emulsion, the water is in the dispersed phase, whereas oil in a continuous phase. The water in oil type emulsions are preferred for the external use. Example, margarines. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe our RPIIT channel.